Hi you guys. So I was planning on reading a book today, but I thought, we've done that a lot, so why not be a little bit tricky, challenge you guys, make you work your little noggins really extra hard today, and I want to work on some beginning sounds with you guys. So that's all this video is. I'll link a book that you guys can maybe listen to on YouTube, so you guys aren't missing that today in case you guys are really disappointed. I'll link that book. So here we go. I hope you good luck. Good luck. You'll need it because you gotta use your brain. You gotta think really, really hard. Hi guys. So I have a little bit of a morning message, but I didn't really do the date or anything. This is just my whiteboard, and I've got some words. I need some help. I want you guys to figure out if you can find the beginning sounds of these words, okay? First off, I'm gonna start by saying, hey there, preschoolers. Guys, I miss you guys so much. So much. I hope you guys are having a great break and doing a lot of fun things. But today, we're going to do a little bit of schoolwork. We are going to work on beginning sounds. Woohoo! Alright, so I have a few pictures here. You guys might have to bear with me. My drawing's not the best. You know, I do sometimes make a good strawberry here and there, but that's it. Alright, so this little guy, you see him right here? You see him? What is he wearing on top of his head? What is that? Is it a box? Does he have a box on top of his head? No, he has a hat on top of his head. He has a hat. Do you guys know what letter that is? Do you remember? Are your brains still working in there? He has a hat, which is in H. It's an H. A hat starts with H. So we're just gonna we'll put a little H there, and I'll put a big H, just for good measure. So that's a big H, and that is a little h. Uppercase and lowercase. All right, you guys. Do you know what this looks? What does this look like? I think it looks like a weird cat who has a mustache. Doesn't this cat look like it has a mustache? Those are supposed to be whiskers. But anyway, that's a cat. Do you guys know the first sound of a cat? I'm gonna let you guys sound that out for a second. Think about it. It's a cat. Cat. Just like cookie. Cat. Starts with do you guys know it? You remember? It starts with the C, so I'm gonna make a big C. Look at that. Looks kind of like an O, except for it's missing that line right there. And then I'm gonna make another C, but this time I'm gonna make it little. And guess what? Those look almost the exact same, except for this one's big and this one's little. So cat starts with a C, a cat. Good job, you guys. All right, this one. Okay, I don't really blame you if you don't know what this is. I'll give you a good look. You guys can laugh at my drawing. But I tried to make a snake, like a snake that was sitting in, rolled up. That's a little purple tongue. I don't know. Does it look like a snake? I don't know. Okay, but snake. Let's see. Snake. Ooh. That's also a sound that a snake makes. He makes a sound, which is what letter? S. He makes a S sound. Snake. Alright, so I'm going to draw a big S, which is like a loopity. That's a big S right there. And then I'm going to make a little S right next to it. Look at that. I got a big S and a tiny S for snake. Beautiful. Alright, next I have these little guys. I got a blue one and I got a green one, and they float up in the air once you blow a bunch of air into it. These are balloons. Balloons. Let's see, what sound? Do you guys hear it? Balloons. Balloon starts with what letter? Do you guys know what letter this is? Balloon. A balloon starts with a B. So look, I got a stick. I'm gonna make a little circle off of it. Right now it looks like a P, but guess what? I'm gonna add another circle and I'm gonna make it a B because that's how I want it to look. But guess what? For the little B, you do a stick again, just like you did on this one, but you don't put the top circle. You just put the bottom one. And you make it a bee, little bee like that. Balloon. Perfect. Even blue. Blue. Balloon. Blue balloon. Perfect. 2 bees. Love it. All right, this one, guys, I don't really blame you. This is an egg. I didn't have a brown, like, I didn't really know how to draw an egg on a whiteboard so you could see it, because usually eggs are white. My eggs are brown, and I didn't have a brown marker, so it's orange. But this one is tricky, okay? This letter sound is very tricky. We have egg. Egg. I know a few words that start with this sound, like egg, elephant, Evan. So what letter do you think is this one? An egg. An E. E for egg. Egg. E makes Perfect. So an E, you make another stick, just like our B. All of these other ones don't have any sticks. Well, I guess these ones do. Never mind. Just like our B, right here we have a stick, and then guess what? We're gonna draw a line across, draw a line in the middle, and we're gonna draw a line at the bottom. And that will be your big E. And for the little E, we're gonna draw a line just like the one in the middle, and the one on top and bottom. And guess what? We're gonna make it a little, kind of like a circle, connect it a little bit. I wanna draw this point to this point. And then we're gonna do a hoop. But guess what? This one isn't gonna touch that one. There's germs there. No touchy. This point does not touch that point. And that makes a little E. This next one, this last one is my favorite. Okay. All right, you guys. Who do you think this is? Right here. Who do you think this person is? Take a guess. It might just be your favorite person ever. It might just be somebody that's in this video. Take a guess. I'll let you guys think about it for a second. Who is this person? Does it kind of look like me? Maybe. Alright, well, I'm trying to draw it myself. This is me, Miss Kaya. So I want you guys to figure out what's the first letter of my name. Oh, remember, it's my favorite. And it makes a k sound. Kaya. Kaya, or K-k-kite, or Casey, like our student teacher, Miss Casey. Casey. It's not like this one. This one's C. This is C for cat. Cat. This is kind of confusing. There's a C that makes the sound, but there's also this other letter, and it's my most favorite letter ever. Do you guys remember what it is? It is a K. K-k-k. My favorite letter for Kaya. So to make a K, I'm going to draw a stick going down. Look at that stick, just like our B and our E and our H. And I'm going to start at the middle. Look, I got this little dot right here. I'm going to go at it like this. I'm going to draw another one going down like this. That's going to be our K. Ks are kind of tricky to draw. And then our little K is the same thing. You need another stick. But this time, the top leg isn't as long as this one, but the bottom leg is. Yeah. So that's our big K, and that's our little K, and that's me, Miss Kaya. So you guys, I hope you guys really like these. These ones are kind of tricky. I threw in a few tricky ones for you guys because, you know what, I know you guys are so smart, and I know you guys have been practicing your letter sounds. Well, I hope you guys have been. I hope you guys have been practicing your letter sounds, so that was super easy for you guys. I'm going to make another video like this next week. I think I'll try to do this a little bit more instead of our morning message and not reading books all the time. So I hope you guys liked this. I hope you guys did really good on it. Let me know. Let me know if you really liked it. I don't know, think of some words and think of the beginning sounds of some. I know you guys can do it. Okay? All right, you guys. See ya.